Hello my friends, how are you today? As you can see, I am going to talk about question word whose in English language. Question word whose in English language. Usually it is used in questions to ask about possession or who owns something. Again, why usually do we use question word whose? We use it to ask about possession or who owns something. Here we have some examples. Whose birthday is it today? Whose birthday is it today? Whose are these gloves? Whose are these gloves? Whose picture is this? Whose picture is this? Whose letter did you receive? Whose letter did you receive? Whose permission is required? Whose permission is required? Whose house are you staying now? Whose house are you staying now? So we have whose class do you find interesting? Whose class do you find interesting? Whose book was stolen in the library? Whose book was stolen in the library? Whose car is parked outside? Whose car is parked outside? Whose phone keeps ringing? Whose phone keeps ringing? Whose father is in the army? Whose father is in the army? Whose shoes are brown? Whose shoes are brown? So we have to pay attention if we want to use question word whose in our conversation or in our writing in order not to have any mistakes. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.